Hi, this is Erin with Keeper of the Homestead, and today I'm going to show you how to make a very easy breakfast. French toast! And even your children can help. It's so easy. So first thing you do is grab, depending on the size of your family, if you just have a few people, then you might want to use about 6 eggs. But if you have a bigger family like we have, you'll use a whole dozen eggs. And you just crack the eggs into a glass bowl, a half a cup of milk. Just whisk the eggs and the milk together. Whatever skillet you're using, whether it's, I highly recommend cast iron, but we have this little skillet here because we have a bigger family. Just kind of butter your skillet. Just rub a stick of butter like that on it, easy. And then take your bread and dip it right into the egg and milk mixture. And soak it in, just kind of press down on the bread a little bit so it soaks into everything. And then all you do is just place it onto your skillet. You'll hear it sizzle. So you've got it on about 250 to 300. But if you're on the stove top, just medium heat with spice. After they've cooked on this side, you're going to just grab your flipper, flip them over, and let them cook on the other side. And that's it. You're done. Just remove them from the skillet and serve them hot. Or you can actually put them in the refrigerator and you can put them in your toaster, warm them up in the oven later, and you have a whole nother meal for another day if you have leftovers. So enjoy!